friends, you're welcome once again to this YouTube channel. Yes, you can. I remain your host, Mrs. Jero. The last time we met, we looked at profit and loss. We considered the profit. Today we are going to look at loss. With this example, a man bought 15 mangoes for 750 naira. He sold all for 500 naira because some were rotten. What was his loss? Now, from the last time, we understood that the selling price is the price the trader sells the goods, and cost price is the price he buys the goods before selling. Now, for this man, he bought the 15 mangoes for this, and this will be his cost price. He sold all for this, and this will be his selling price. Comparing the two, you already know that there's going to be a loss. So let's go solving. The selling price, which we also say can be represented by SP, is 500 naira, and the cost price is 750 naira. Now, to get our loss, we simply say the cost price minus the selling price. The cost price we know is 750 naira, and the selling price is 500 naira. Subtracting them will give us 250 naira. So the trader made a loss of 250 naira. Very simple. Now let's go to the next example. The next one, we are looking at Mr. James. Mr. James bought 3 pairs of rain boots at a cost of 24,000 naira. He sold each pair at a price of 7,000 naira. What was his loss? Now, one thing we must take note in this question is the word each here. Each means a unit price per one. That is a pair, and he had 3 pairs. Alright, so now let's pick out our selling price and our cost price. Mr. James bought 3 pairs of that. That bought tells us that that is the cost price. So the cost price is going to be 24,000 naira. Now let's check out the selling price. For the selling price, he sold each, that is a unit price. The selling price for each 7,000 naira. But there were 3 pairs. So the 3 pairs, to get the total amount of the 3 pairs, how much he actually sold the 3 pairs, we are going to say 3 times the unit price. That is the unit price for each. So we go to a corner and we say times 3. This will give us 0021. So we have 21,000 to be the total selling price. Alright, let me write it total selling price. So the total selling price is equal to 21,000. 21,000 naira. Now the cost price is 24,000 naira, and the selling price is 21,000 naira. From the look of it, we know that this guy has made a loss. So the loss, to calculate the loss, is going to be the cost price minus the selling price. Now the cost price we have is 24,000 minus the selling price, the total selling price, which is 21,000. So we are going to subtract this. We have 0 here, and then we have 3. So this will be the total amount Mr. James lost. So the loss is equal to 3,000 naira. Now in this question you must be very careful. Once you hear the unit price, you must multiply it by the amount of goods or item or article that is being referred to. You must multiply it to get the total selling price or the total cost price. I believe you understood this lesson for today. It's very simple. I pray you go over the video over and over again, and don't forget to like the video. I remain your host, Mrs. Jero. Remember, for you to be a friend of maths, you must practice, practice, practice. Bye, friends.